Friends, today we will solve a numerical based on the speed control of DC shunt motor. So our question given is a 400 volt DC shunt motor has armature and field resistance are 0.3 ohm and 200 ohm respectively. It takes full load current of 50 ampere and runs at 1000 rpm. Calculate speed of the motor when 100 ohm resistor is connected in series with the field winding. The load torque is constant. So the condition in this question is that the load torque will be constant for the speed change. So we have given the voltage supply, the field resistance IF1 and IA1 and the I1 current. First we will find the current through shunt field. So first we will calculate IF1. So IF1 will be the voltage supply across the field resistance divided by field resistance. So voltage is 400 volt divided by resistance is 200 ohm. So our field resistance current is 2 ampere. Now we know that our total current is 50 ampere. So armature current will be IA1 will be 50 minus 2 ampere, this will be 48 ampere. Now a 100 ohm resistor is connected in series with the 200 ohm. So a 100 ohm resistor is connected with series with the, so now the resistance, field resistance RF2 becomes 300 ohm. So the new current will flow through the field resistance. So it will be IF2. So IF2, the value of IF2 we will find is voltage across the field resistance divided by total resistance is 300. So this will be 4 by 3 ampere. Now the given condition is that whether this resistance is added, the load torque will be constant. So load torque, the given condition is load torque will be constant, and we know that the load torque is directly proportional to IF/Ia. This we all know that load torque is directly proportional to IF/Ia, and this is constant. So IF, the multiplication of IF and Ia will be constant. So now we can use it to calculate our IA2. So IF1 into IA1 is equals to will be IAF2 into IA2. Now we will calculate the IA2. So IA2 will be IF1 IA1 divided by IF2. So from here IA2 will be, what is IF1? IF1 is 2 ampere and IA1 is 48 ampere and divide by IF2. IF2 is 4 by 3 ampere. So 4 by 3 ampere. So if we will calculate, this value will come out as 72.18 ampere. So now this is the value of current which will flow through the armature current in the second condition. Now we have to find the speed of the motor. So we have to calculate the speed of the motor. We know that E is directly proportional to IF into N. So from here N will be directly proportional to E divided by IF. So by using this we can calculate the speed. So N1 divided by N2 will be equal to E1 divided by E2 into IF1 divided by, this will be IF2. So we will use it. We have IF1, IF2. We have to calculate first E1 and E2. So what will be E1? E1 will be, from here we will apply the KVL. So V is 400 volt minus first the resistance was 0.3 ampere into IA1 was 48 ampere. So E1 will be, by calculating it, so this value will be 385.6 volt. Now same we will calculate E2. So E2 will be 400 minus, by applying the KVL for the second condition, will be, now the current resistance is same 0.3. the value of current is changed. So IA2 is 72.18 ampere. So E2 will be, by calculating this, the value of E2 is 346 volt. So E1 and E2 we have calculated. Now we can calculate the speed. So N2 is equals to, from there N2 is equals to N1, and this will be E2 divided by E1 into IF1 divided by IF2. Now put all values, we will find the answer. N1 was 1000 rpm and E2 is 378.346 and E1 is 385.6. IF1 was 2 ampere and IF2 is 4/3 ampere. So solve it and the answer will come out as, answer is 1471.8788 rpm. So this is the value of speed when the resistance of 100 ohm is connected. Thank you.